All right, so today, guys, we're going to talk about body count. We're going to see who in the class has the highest body count.
Sir, are you good?
I got the hiccup.
Here, I have this thing right here. Just drink out of this straw. It should help with your hiccups.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that.
With this straw, it sucks into your lungs a certain air patterns, and it causes the hiccups to go away.
Yo, this thing really helped. Where'd you get this at?
I got it where I got everything else at.
TikTok?
Yep.
How much was it?
Well, in big retail stores, they're like $35, but right now in the TikTok shop, there's a flash sale where they're only $15. The link's right there if you want one.